Hey YouTube, I just wanted to do a review on worldwide performance exhaust for 2015 Ford F-150 5.0. This thing runs around $288 on eBay, and I don't have any concerns about it. It's a little loud for my taste, but in the long run, once it idles down, it's pretty quiet. But when you first cold start it, it's really loud. And when you're driving it around town, it's kind of loud as well. It didn't take long to put in. Maybe it took like under an hour or so, maybe a little bit over. It came with everything, the clamps and hangers and whatnot. Yeah, I don't have much to talk about it. It's just really simple and straightforward. I have a rough country cold air intake in my truck. Later on, I'm thinking about putting in some headers for this 5.0. But let me give you guys a demonstration on how loud it is, or how quiet it is, whatever you guys think of. Here it goes. So as I'm sitting inside the cab, this is obviously warm. I drove it around a while ago, so it's quiet for now. That's what you guys can expect if you have one of these. And like I said, it came with dual exhaust. But it comes with stainless steel. So we can go drive around, just so you know how loud it is or how quiet it is. Alright, we're on the road now. I felt a little difference on the performance side. I definitely got a little horsepower, but that's also from the cold air intake. But I also lost a little bit of torque. I would say. Some people told me that, of course, with horsepower, upgrading horsepower and everything, you lose a little bit of torque with it. So that's what happened with my truck. But later on, I might just get a tuner to put in this truck. So when you're just cruising it. It's not too bad when you're just cruising. It's actually pretty quiet. Alright guys, well, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. That's all I have to say. Alright, just enjoy your day, I guess. Have a good day. Bye.